Do you feel like your toes are crunched, or your foot is flat, or you have stiff feet that feel like they're impossible to stretch? What if I told you the problem isn't your feet, but the way you're training them? We're going to train the lumbricals, which are tiny little muscles deeply embedded in your feet. As a physiotherapist, I've spent the last 2 decades helping dancers achieve their ultimate performance. Low to the right leg, we need to think of how the whole body's working, not just the foot and ankle. In this dance masterclass, we're going to look at scientifically backed techniques to improve the flexibility, strength, and stability in your feet. We're going to soften this knee forward, so the band is gliding the bone down and back. I'll guide you through the entire process to not only improve the shape, but also get a healthier and more stable foot. Come up onto rise, and you will lose your balance. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced dancer wanting to take your feet to the next level, this class is for you. So let's get started.